It's an Orthodox Christian cross. It's from Eastern Roman time. After the migration period, the Roman Empire was separated, as you know. The Eastern Roman civilization became Orthodox. This civilization is known as Byzantine by Muslim people. Istanbul or Constantinople was the capital of the Byzantine. This one is from the 6th century AD. There used to be a baptistry and a system behind the gate. There are more than 1,000 church remains in this little region because of San Nicola, Santa Claus. He was born in Patara, the second capital of the Lycia, lived and died near us, who is known as Demre. And he was the patron saint of sailormen, kids and travelers. That's why many churches have been built in the name of the Father Christmas. You have seen some big wooden boats which have been coming from the eastern. You will see some more than we have lunch. All boats are full of Russian because the San Nicola Church in Demre is like a pilgrimage center for the Orthodox Christian people. In summertime, every day, almost 800 buses come to Demre from Antalya, and the number of the buses can be more than 1,000 every Sunday. When the Russian people visit